How do I balance short-term income with long-term wealth building? This is a really, really important question to answer. The key to this is I build out a diversification strategy in different categories. I use what's called the wealth pyramid. So you guys know I talk a lot about cryptocurrency. I'm a huge investor in XRP, Bitcoin, many other ones like Solana, HBAR, fundamental cryptos that will change the world. That has a short-term component to it and a long-term. So I'm going to talk about the cryptocurrency asset side, which is really high on the risk pyramid, high risk, high return. And I'm going to talk about how I've utilized that to build a long-term wealth building strategy. So what I do is I use the wealth pyramid, okay? Crypto is high risk, high return. Now as regulation and the speculation starts to go away, that will start to be sucked out a little bit, but there's still a lot of growth. So there's short term to that and a long term. So I have what's called an exit strategy. My Bitcoin is a long-term wealth building strategy. All my other coins, as they profit in the bull run, I pull profits on targets on the way up. So that's the short-term wealth. That's what I did from 2020 to 2022, which got me a large amount of profit. But what I didn't do is I didn't buy cars, Lambos, houses, and watches. I transmuted that income and I moved it down the risk pyramid and I focused on three things: cash flow, protection, and leverage. So the first thing I did was I learned how to protect my wealth by using cash value life insurance. Through the past 3 years, what I've learned to do is use the wealth as well to create cash generating assets. So I got cash generating businesses, cash generating dividend ETF strategies. Now I'm going into real estate. And then leverage, leverage, leverage. I use Bitcoin as a bank to leverage, and I use my cash value life insurance as a bank to leverage. So now I went from losing everything in 2020 to having cash flow, short-term appreciation from crypto, transmuted that into cash value life insurance, which is legacy, also that I can leverage within the short term to buy more assets that are going to profit. So there's a short-term strategy is the massive price appreciation in crypto in the short term, and the long-term strategy is taking those profits to make sure I protect it and something that's going to compound, grow, that I can leverage. So that's my short-term strategy and my long-term strategy. That took us from broke on my parents' couch in 2020 to a millionaire investor and a millionaire outside of crypto and building legacy for my family.